Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video, which is an unboxing video for you of the January box for Medusa's makeup. I hope you all know by now, I do receive my Medusa's boxes a little bit later than everybody else because I signed up to receive this subscription box at the end of the month of October, so therefore my boxes are not sent out until the end of each month. Medusa's Makeup is a US based subscription box service. You get 4 usually full-size items in here, and it costs, to the UK, it costs $26.95 a month, which works out around about £21–22. This is the January box, like I say, so let's get into it. I've got my scissors ready, not my scissors, my tweezers either. Pop the sellotape, there we go, and let's open it up, if I can. Trying to open it up upside down, that's not handy, is it? Here we go. All right, we've got a couple of leaflets there in the top. Okay, the first one is Makeup Beauty Skin. It's a leaflet, 2020 on it. Liquid lipstick in 12 colours and 4 new nudes. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you this actually. I saw this on the website the other day. This is the new Electro eyeshadow palette that they're going to be coming out with this year. So I'm really looking forward to that. Be interesting to find out how much that's going to be. I think this is just detailing about what products are coming out this year. And then the next one we've got is actually what's in the beauty box for this time, and it normally gives us, some information about the products and the value of them. So let's have a look. First item is a totally baked eyeshadow. Here we go. In a high pigment shimmer finish from neutral hue to extreme colour. Apply Stick It eye primer to get a more dramatic effect. Subscribers will receive a surprise colour, and this is worth $9. And I've got the colour Whatever. Wow. Let's have a look. It is, oh ouch, quite a stiff packaging for a kick off. It's like a shimmery grey. There we go. I'm just gonna do a little swatch. Oh, it's like a shimmer gunmetal silver. Oh, look at that. With a black grey undertone. Oh, that's lovely. I like that. Feels really nice. Feels really soft. And I'm excited to add that to my other items that I've already received from Medusa's over the last, is this my 4th box now? Yeah, 4th box. So that's the eyeshadow, like I say, in the shade Whatever, which is really cool. Next item is, Tinted Lip Balm. It's a tinted lip balm in the shade Smile. Alright, and this is the make Lovebird, which I do believe is Medusa's own like skincare brand. So that's the colour of it. Looks quite bright. Let's have a look. Let's do a thumb swatch. I've already been, in fact I'll do it on this hand because that hand's already got some swatches on it. Oh wow, that's quite pigmented for a lip balm. Cool, blimey. That's definitely a tinted lip balm, that one. Alright. Ooh, it smells lovely. It smells of vanilla. And something else. Cocoa. It smells like shea. Has it got shea butter in it? It smells like shea butter. Oh, that's quite nice. I like that. Lovely. Maybe a bit bright pink for me, but we'll test it out, we'll see. And the next item is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Grace, if it's going to focus. There we go. Okay, I haven't received any of the liquid eyeshadows from Medusa's yet, so... Oh, by the way, the Tinted Lip Balm is worth $8, so we're at $17 value at the moment. And this liquid eyeshadow is worth $13, so that is, at the moment we're at a total of $30. Oh, look. That looks like a bright purple with a golden pink reflex in it. Let's give it a good shake and then we'll do a little swatch. This with that gunmetal silver eyeshadow is gonna look amazing. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. It's actually not as bright purple as what I thought. It's going on quite sheer, but I wonder if you could build it up. It's going on more like a lavendery purple. There we go. Still nice. I mean, I love purple, it's my favourite. And it is quite metallic-y. I wonder if I can... Yeah, I think you'll be able to build it up. I think the trick with this is going to be to put one layer on, let it dry down, and then potentially put a second layer over the top. There we go, that's another layer on. I'm going to let that dry on my hand a minute. So that's the liquid eyeshadow. And then the last item in the box is this from Lovebird. And it's a Pina Colada Coconut Oil Mascara Melt. Oh. Interesting. And this is worth $12. So we've got a box here that, you know, has got a value of $42, and I paid basically just under $27 for it. So that's not bad, is it? And that's including shipping as well, by the way. Oh my word. Oh my goodness, does that smell like Pina Colada? That's amazing. And can you see it's like a solid balm? Oh yeah, it is solid as well. Really solid. I mean, I assume what you do is sort of work it with your fingers and warm it up, and then probably just massage it in to your eyelashes. I'm just popping a little bit on my thumb here where I've been doing some lip swatches. It feels lovely, smells amazing. Let's just get a little bit of tissue. Well, it does say it's a mascara melt, so that I am very interested to try. Yeah, can't wait to give that a go later. That's going to be amazing. As long as I can get it to actually, because it is completely and utterly solid, so I might need to work that a bit. But oh, the smell, it just reminds you of holidays and cocktails. It's awesome. And there we go, that's the eyeshadow, by the way. I've just patted it down a wee bit. So I think it's going to be one that is blendable, or buildable I should say. And I can definitely, now I've sort of patted over the top, I can definitely see pink metallic reflexes in it. There we go. So I've blended it out now as well. That's quite an odd product. I'm going to need to play with that, but I will, and I will let you know what my thoughts and feelings. So 4 items in the box. We've got the mascara melt, which is a different type of product. I'm interested to try that. We've got the eyeshadow, we've got the tinted lip balm, and we've got the liquid eyeshadow. I think I love this box. It's not to everybody's taste. I absolutely love it. But let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, as always. If you're new here, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you choose to follow me on my journey on YouTube, either by pressing the red subscribe button down here or my icon here that's going to appear shortly with my face in it. Make sure you've got your notifications turned on as well. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is about 3 to 4 times a week. I'm managing to keep to my schedule at the moment. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!